One of our favourite ways to mend is to use a patch. We have lots of spare bits of felted wool from all of our woolly creations, so why not use them to make a whole new feature? You'll need your darning needle, wool patches, and yarn from your care and repair kit. Cut your patches to whatever size or shape you feel works. We would always suggest mending any holes before sewing on a patch to make sure they don't get any worse or ladder. When you are happy with the placement of your patches, you're ready to sew them in place. Stitch into the same spot a couple of times to secure the yarn. Then every few millimeters pick up a stitch from the jumper and then the patch. Slip your needle under the loop created and repeat. This is called blanket stitch. Another easy way to add a patch is to use the Sashiko technique, where you use lots and lots of little stitches to join the patch to the garment. It works particularly well for our lambswool patches, as when the thread is pulled tight you can barely see the little stitches connecting the patch to the garment. You can see on this fox scarf, this is a nearly invisible mend using this technique. And don't forget to visit donnawilson.com/repair for any written instructions.